Consider the following speed time graph. This is a speed time graph in which vertical or y-axis represents speed in meter per second, whereas horizontal or the x-axis represents time in seconds. In part A of the question, we are being asked which part of the graph is showing acceleration, deceleration, and zero acceleration. Meaning by we have to tell from these three parts. First of all, bring first equation of motion in your mind. We can find acceleration by rearranging it, that is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Even if you don't consider the time, only keeping an eye on velocity or speed will get you the answer. If velocity is increasing, the acceleration will be positive. As you can see from point A to B, the acceleration is 50 minus 0 divided by 10. Final velocity has increased. So here, acceleration has taken place. If velocity is not changing, it is constant, then there will be zero acceleration. As from point B to C, the acceleration is 50 minus 50 divided by 10. Final velocity remains same, that is constant. So there was no acceleration or zero acceleration. If the velocity is decreasing, as you can see from point C to D, the acceleration is 0 minus 50 divided by 10. Final velocity has decreased, so deceleration has taken place. In part B, we have been asked to calculate distance using the graph covered from 10 seconds to 20 seconds. Let me clear the screen a bit. Remember, whenever a speed time graph is given, then you can find distance from area under the curve. We have to measure distance from 10 to 20 seconds, so we don't calculate the remaining area. Area of a rectangle is measured using formula width multiplied by length. Here, width is 20 minus 10 is equal to 10 and height is 50 minus 0 is equal to 50. So our area is 50 multiplied by 10 is equal to 500. And we know that area under speed time graph curve gives us the distance. So from here we get the distance is equal to 500 meters. Now how to write it in answer sheet C. For part A we write acceleration is at AB because speed is increasing. Deceleration is at CD because speed is decreasing. Zero acceleration at BC because speed is constant. For part B, we write distance from 10 to 20 seconds. Distance is equal to area under BC. Distance is equal to width multiplied by length. Distance is equal to 10 multiplied by 50. Distance is equal to 500 meters. Hope you enjoyed the animated learning experience.
Study with me, a learning experience.